Welcome to our exploration of the cutting-edge non-fiction book. AI+, artificial intelligence is externally limited, while AI+, or Atma intelligence, is the possibility of decoding the infinite within you. In a world where our lives are increasingly intertwined with artificial intelligence, this book urges us to spotlight within and discover the limitless potential of our inner selves. Authored by Atma Guru Korak Day, a man who has dedicated over 240,000 hours to helping people worldwide unlock their inner power, this book is a testament to a content life lived holistically, free of regret, stress, and toxin. Ready to delve into the chapters of this enlightening read? The first step on this journey is consciousness, the foundation of AI+. Consciousness in this context refers to an awareness of one's inner self, and it's the starting point for activating the dormant state of Atma, the meta-soul. It's about understanding your inner power and potential, and how you can harness it to live your life to the fullest, free from regret, stress, depression, and toxins. Take for instance Des Murray, a retired principal from Dublin, Ireland, who claims that meeting Korak Day, the author, has been the most important religious and educational experience of his life. Or consider the words of Dr. Deepak N. Patel from the USA, who credits Korak with leading him out of his metaphorical cave. These testimonials and endless more underscore the transformative power of consciousness and how it can pave the way for a life of inner and outer excellence. Consciousness, the first step towards inner and outer excellence. Moving forward, we delve into experience, resonance, and finally, excellence. It's time, Korak Day affirm, to make your this life best life. These three steps represent the core journey of personal transformation, each one building upon the last, creating a synergistic flow towards the full activation of Atma, the meta-soul. Let's begin with experience. This is where the journey truly starts post-consciousness. As we navigate through life, our experiences shape our perception, our behavior, and ultimately our destiny. But it's not just about having experiences, it's about understanding them, learning from them, and using them as stepping stones towards a higher state of being. But most importantly is going for the highest or the ideal experiences for a human like Atma Guru. Korak says, Life 108. Then, we move on to resonance. This is where the real magic happens. Resonance is all about aligning with the highest version of ourselves. It's about finding that sweet spot where our inner world harmonizes with the outer world. It's about vibrating at a frequency that attracts positivity, abundance, and fulfillment into our lives. And finally, we arrive at excellence. This is the culmination of the journey. Excellence is the manifestation of our highest potential. It is the outward expression of the inner transformation we have undergone. It's not just about achieving success in the traditional sense, but about living a life of purpose, passion, and profound satisfaction. But don't just take my word for it. Listen to the words of those who have walked this path. The testimonials you will find throughout the book and also on Trustpilot underscore the transformative power of Step 1 consciousness, Step 2 experience, Step 3 resonance, and final step excellence. This is the pathway to unlocking the infinite potential within you that you are born with and is lying dormant within. AI Plus is not just a concept, it's a lifestyle, a way to align with nature organically and free ourselves from stress, regret, and depression. This book, penned by the extraordinary Atma Guru Korak Day, offers a path to inner and outer excellence through 4 simple steps. Click the link in the description to join our Gen A Hub with a free 1-to-1 call or comment below with "Yes, I want to learn AI Plus now." This Atma Guru sums up as Paropkar, which in English is selfless love. He has a Selfless Love Action Club WhatsApp group. Do you care to join it? If yes, then write in the comment box, "I want to join the Slack group." Korak Day's journey through nearly 3 decades of inner bliss and contentment is testament to the transformative power of AI+. His youthful vitality at 52, seeming decades younger, is a vibrant example of AI+ potential. This book is more than just a guide. It's an invitation to embark on a journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. It's an opportunity to live life organically, holistically, free from regret, stress, and depression. We gotta learn to use AI, but mostly and ideally learn AI Plus first or perish. Now please go ahead and get this book as hardbound or Kindle on Amazon. AI Plus, how will you unlock your infinite potential? Share your thoughts in the comments below.